This is the Huawei Nova 9 unboxing. As you can see here guys, at the front there's app gallery, there's a Huawei Nova 9 at the side left and right, and this is the 8GB of RAM and 128 of storage. So guys, come on, let's open the box. Alright, so inside the box you can see here the phone with a thin layer of paper, and once you open the box, here you can see the charger and also the cable with a SIM ejector pin. And here at the box you can see the silicone case, which is the transparent. So it's also quite good because most of Huawei phones, it comes with a free cover. So this is a 66 watts super wired charger of Huawei with a USB-A and Type-C cable, and that's it. So let's open the phone, Huawei Nova 9. So as you can see here, you can see the orbit ring design camera array at the back side of the phone. So this is the color 9, they call it. It's like combinations of different colors. So it comes with the edge display, alright, and it comes with a 6.6 Super AMOLED screen. So once you open the phone, you can see here the EMUI 12 was like Harmony OS operating system, and it comes with 8GB of RAM and 128 storage. The display is awesome guys. This one has a Super AMOLED screen with a Quad HD Plus resolution, and it supports a 120Hz refresh rate. You can switch to 60, dynamic, and standard, which is high is the 120Hz refresh rate. So I will choose the 120Hz refresh rate. As you can see here, it's super smooth in terms of user experience. The touch sampling rate is awesome as well. It has also these features we call the smart folder, so you can shrink in and shrink out the folder, so you have an easy access of your favorite applications, and you can swipe up and left and right, and you can rearrange the folder. It's one of the cool features in the EMUI 12. In terms of privacy, it comes with the in-display fingerprint, which is, I believe it's super fast for me. So once you switch off the phone, see it's take 0.2 seconds to open the device. So it's quite fast in my experience. It comes with dual SIM, which is supports dual SIM card, and you can also expand the memory, which is using the nano memory card from Huawei. In terms of camera array, it comes with a 50 megapixel main lens, which is it's took a lot of amazing photo. It comes with 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and also a 2 megapixel of macro shots, which is you can take photo up to 4 centimeter. Alright, so let's try the camera setup of this Huawei Nova 9. So once you open the camera guys, it comes with a 50 megapixel of main lens, which is, as you can see here, it's super clear and super crystal options if you take a photo. So the super clarity is amazing. It supports the RYYB, which is the red, yellow and blue sensor, and in the front camera it comes with a 32 megapixel of ultra wide sensor as well. And here are the sample photos taken by Huawei Nova 9 in daylight, night shots, and even video shots as well. So guys, check it out and comment down below what do you think of this Huawei image captured by Huawei Nova 9. At the back side of the phone, guys, I really like the design of this matte finish. So it's anti-fingerprints, there's no smudges, which is, I really feel like a premium. So this is one of my favorite color which Huawei Nova 9 offered in the market. The premiumness of the phone is very lightweight as well. It comes with 7.77mm thickness. Now let's move on the front camera of the Nova 9, which it supports a 32 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. This camera supports an ultra-wide, and also you can record a 4K video recording, and also supports an slow motion front camera. And in terms of audio quality, guys, this one has mono speaker, but in terms of quality of the speaker, I really like the sound of this phone. Just check it out how this speaker, it's so loud and it's so crispy as well. And in terms of performance, Huawei Nova 9 supports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G with a 6nm and supports the clock speed of octa-core 2.4 GHz. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 128 internal storage. And Huawei Nova 9 supports a 4300 mAh battery, which has a 66 watts Huawei Supercharge that you can charge your Huawei Nova 9 from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes only. So it's one of the amazing fast charging which is available from Huawei Nova 9. So what do you think of this Huawei Nova 9? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel is absolutely amazing. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.